Hi all, welcome to new video for Horilla technical series. In this video, we will see how we can manage the accessibility or the permission or user level for the actions inside Horilla Detailed View. So inside the Horilla Detailed View, like the other list card accessibility, we don't have currently for the Horilla Detailed View. So in this scenario, how we can manage this accessibility like this. So at the current configurations, we have configured the action method. Okay, I'll show you for the both the actions, dictionary items, also for the action method. When I go to the parent class and when I check the context, here you can see the action method is passed. Also the actions is passed. So first let's check how we can check it for the action method. If it is action method, then you can simply check the condition from the context by ordering the context like this. The last video we are already this context. Please check the video. Then here you can provide the condition like if request will be available inside the self request dot user is authenticator. Then only the action need to be available for the user. Then provide it like context of action method. Here you can see the key action method. Action method is equal to the self dot action method. So here you can see in this scenario the action method only available if the employee is authenticated. In the else block, you have to provide the context of action method. Action method equal to none. So if the user don't have permission, then the action method will not be available. In further condition, you can provide check it inside the template that the function is rendering. So here is the function. So if you have any additional actions and you need to check additional condition from the template, also you can check it inside here. The request will be available like request. The instance will be available like instance, because we pass the instance with the name of context instance. Here is self. So for this function, please refer to the last video, so you will get an idea how we the method works. It's a function that we monkey passed. So when you check inside the output, click on here, you can see the request and the instance is visible over here, and also the action. I currently not provided any style. It's a default edit. When I click, you can see the action is performing. If it is the action that we configured in the last video. So let's check how we can do the same for the normal actions list of items. So let's comment this for now. Also this one too. Then let's uncomment the actions configuration. So here you can see. So before you add in this block like this, you can check a condition like if self dot request dot user dot is authenticator, then only you have to like extends. It's a list. I'll show you. You can extend it like this. Okay. When you check the actions inside the parent class, here you can see it is list by default. So you can you'll get all the list functionality. So I'm just extending if the user is authenticated. Okay. Also add some additional label to the action. Wait for the restart the server. Okay. Then when you click Something went wrong. Lower. Okay, let's check. So file name. None type of the table lower. Where's the none came from? Okay. Let's check the user is authenticated, because we didn't add any decorators to the function. If the user is authenticated, then print must need to become. Refresh. Click here. Okay, the user is authenticated. Also, let's print the self.actions. Okay, let's restart the server. I can also, let's check the template inside the Horilla theme. Search for okay. Okay, only the keys is appended. So let's check it with yeah, let's do, instead of the extend, let's do append, because we only appending adding single item for now. So instead of the extend, let's do the append. Okay, restart. Okay, the action is coming. Okay, is multiple is appending. So let's make it empty before the appending is done. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, yeah. So the condition check is done. So that's how you manage accessibility for the actions that are available inside Horilla Detailed View. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.